Hello and welcome to Profit Path, your source for all things related to making money and profiting online. Today, we're going to be discussing investing for beginners and providing you with some valuable tips on how to build wealth online. Section 1, Importance of Investing. Investing is essential for long-term financial growth, especially when you consider the power of compound interest. When you invest, you are putting your money to work, and over time, the interest you earn on your investment can also generate interest. This compounding effect can significantly increase your overall wealth, but it takes time, patience, and discipline. Therefore, the sooner you start investing, the more time you have to reap the benefits of compounding. When you invest your money, you're also protecting it from inflation. Inflation is the gradual rise in the price of goods and services over time, and it erodes the value of money. Investing can help you beat inflation and ensure that your money retains its purchasing power over time. Section 2, Different Investment Options. There are several investment options available to beginners, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and cryptocurrencies. Stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and when you buy a share of stock, you are buying a percentage of ownership in that company. As a shareholder, you may be entitled to dividends, and you can also benefit from any increases in the company's stock price. Bonds. When you buy a bond, you are lending money to a company or the government. Bonds typically pay interest at a fixed rate, and when the bond matures, you receive your principal back. Mutual funds. A mutual fund is a collection of stocks and bonds, and when you invest in a mutual fund, you are buying a small portion of each security in the fund. Mutual funds are managed by professionals who invest the fund's money in a variety of securities, which can help reduce risk and increase diversification. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that can be bought and sold online. The most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are several other cryptocurrencies available as well. Each investment option has its pros and cons, and it's essential to research and understand them before investing. Section 3, Online Investment Platforms. Several online investment platforms, such as Robinhood, E-Trade, and Coinbase, allow you to buy and sell stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and cryptocurrencies online. These platforms offer low fees, easy access, and excellent user interfaces that make investing simple for beginners. However, it's important to note that each platform has its own set of fees and restrictions, so it's essential to research and compare them before choosing one. Section 4, Tips for Successful Investing. Successful investing requires discipline and a long-term perspective. Here are some tips to help you get started. Diversification. Diversification means investing in several different stocks, bonds, or funds, rather than putting all your money in one investment. This can help reduce risk and protect your investment. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging means investing a fixed amount regularly over a long period. This can help reduce the impact of market volatility and help you stay disciplined in investing. Invest in what you know and understand. It's crucial to invest in what you know and understand and avoid investing in anything you don't fully understand. Section 5, Common Investing Mistakes to Avoid. It's essential to avoid common investing mistakes, such as trying to time the market or following the herd mentality. Trying to time the market means buying and selling stocks based on short-term trends, which can be risky and lead to significant losses. Following the herd means investing in what everyone else is investing in, which can lead to bubbles and crashes. It's important to stay disciplined and focused on your long-term goals and not get caught up in short-term market movements or fads. Another common mistake is not doing enough research or not understanding the risks involved in a particular investment. It's important to research any investment thoroughly and understand the potential risks and rewards before investing your money. Finally, it's essential to avoid letting emotions guide your investment decisions. Fear and greed can be powerful motivators, but they can also lead to poor investment decisions. Sticking to a well-thought-out investment plan and staying disciplined in the face of market volatility is crucial for success in investing. In summary, investing is an essential tool for building long-term wealth and protecting your money from inflation. There are several investment options available, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and cryptocurrencies, and it's crucial to understand the pros and cons of each option before investing. Online investment platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, and Coinbase make investing accessible and affordable for beginners, but it's important to research and compare them before choosing one. Finally, successful investing requires discipline, diversification, and a long-term perspective. Avoiding common investing mistakes like trying to time the market and following the herd mentality is crucial for success. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on making money and profiting online. Thanks for watching.